Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows 11 slow folder loading indefinitely with a green bar, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Here's the thing. There are two cases to this one. The first one is that folder is either in the documents, pictures or the desktop folder, which means that it is connected to OneDrive. In this case, you will click on the OneDrive symbol, which might either be the system tray or on this upward pointing arrow. Okay, right click on it. Click on the settings button here, select quit OneDrive and close it. Okay, close it completely. Then search for OneDrive once again and open the OneDrive application. It will need a while to load and it may need up to an hour to sync the files, which is okay. And after that, the problem will be solved. But if it is a local folder, like if it is outside those folders, then you don't usually get a green bar, but it may be loading slowly. So in this case, you will search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager and then wait for it to load. Right click on the Windows Explorer process and restart it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.